Hi there, and welcome to lesson number 2, where we will start to create our basic scene. So by doing so, let's click on scene, create here on the left side, and let's go to 3D object and click on plane. And so if we go to the inspector here, you notice that our position is kind of off. You can see our camera is below our ground. So let's zero that out, and we can do this by clicking on the symbol here and click on reset. So you notice now that the position in the X, Y and the Z is at 0. Alright, so let's get our character in, and let's click on character and then on the art and the characters, and then I would say we take the let's take the challenger for now, and we have here the Chal rig. So let's drag and drop that inside our level, and here again let's zero that out by clicking on the little symbol and click on reset. And so if we are looking now at our character, you notice we don't have any textures or materials on it. Also, when we click on our game tab here, which basically is a preview of how our game will look like, at the start scene, you see we don't have any materials on it. So let's click here on the materials folder, and we have here a bunch of different materials for each different part of the character. And you see some materials have bug. We have here some pinkish color, and we can fix this by going to shader and to standard. And as you can see, that has fixed it. So let's do this here as well. Click on standard. Alright, so let's just drag and drop the second material to the different body parts, and you notice that if we drag and drop the second material to the lower part here of the body, it looks kind of weird, and that is because the map for the lower body is actually on the third one. So if we drag and drop the third material, you see it looks normal again. So we always have to take this into account to check it if we are not doing some mistake here. And so I think for the lower body, the third one works fine. Yep. And let's see what we can do with the top. So I took here the for the hoodie the second material one more time. I think for the swords we need the third one, and we also have here these belts which are in the first material. And let's check out the swords, it's in the third material. And now let's see where the skin material is. Okay, so it's in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th, and the 5th material we have the skin material. So for the face it's probably actually that was the beard. I think the beard is the first material. Yep. And we also have the helmet, which is the second material. And let's see the hairs, I think it's this one here. Yeah, challenger hair. Alright, so let's check if we have forgot something. Nope, looks good. Okay, so our character looks much better now. Let's hit play. And we get an error. Alright, so if you have this kind of error, that is because you have to restart Unity, and that is something that I will do as well. Let me just quickly check if I'm not wrong here. But it always says it has something to do with the character that we have imported. So sometimes when you import huge packages like the character, it can lead to some problems. So before you close your project, let's save the scene and let's call it main scene. And let's also go to file and save project. And so I want you to restart your project as well. And in the next lesson we will start to connect the animation that we have imported with our character. So see you in the next lesson.